Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome. I am Abdul Sami, your Arabic buddy. In this video, I will be telling you why you should learn Arabic. First, Arabic is not the language of one country, of course, but of more than 27 nations across North Africa and the Middle East. Imagine having people in 27 countries with different geographical borders, cities, villages, groups, and cultures, all speaking in the same language. It's the language that unites at least 420 million native speakers in the Arab world, as well as being something of a lingua franca of Muslims worldwide. Second, putting the third place behind English and French. Arabic is also one of the official languages of the United Nations. Therefore, many people learn that language for formal reasons. Third, Arabic was spoken in its classical form as early as 2 millennia ago and remains vibrant in cultures spanning 2 continents, as well as in scholarly circles as the liturgical language of Islam. As such, Arabic has enjoyed countless millions of works of scholarship throughout the century. Fourth, Arabic has also contributed to many other languages. It was the language of scholarship throughout the rules of Islamic empires, a period of thousands years from the 7th century right down to 19th and even 20th. The greatest books of medicine, geology, law, philosophy, and basically any subject you can imagine were all written in the finest Arabic. Therefore, many of the most advanced people in their fields of study learn Arabic for scientific and anthropological reasons. Fifth, Arabic is the language of the Quran, the Islamic holy book. Regardless of their linguistic, cultural, and racial differences, Muslims form one community of believers. It doesn't matter what your beliefs are. The Quran is unequivocally, undeniably, and undoubtedly the greatest form of Arabic literature, and indeed the greatest form of literature, period. The beauty of this piece of literature is in fact quite literally miraculous. Therefore, tens of millions of people learn the language to witness firsthand the beauty and miracle that is the Quran. So you might be learning the language for religious purposes. Sixth, Arab people are some of the easiest practice the language well. I often say that when you live in Arab world or Arab neighborhood, every time you step outside your front door, you can almost be guaranteed to have some kind of adventure and meet people who are very eager to speak Arabic with you. Every day you come home with new friends. Since speaking as early as possible is so important to becoming fluent in any language, so you can be guaranteed that you will have no trouble getting started to learn Arabic. Arabic has really easy grammar compared to a lot of languages, compared to pretty much every European language. Arabic grammar is a piece of cake, like super easy. Arabic is one of the most relevant and necessary languages today, as it is in the top 5 languages with the most number of speakers in the world. It is so massive. And then when you consider how many Arab speakers have immigrated around the world, and you start to get an idea of just how hugely important it is. Of course, then there is the whole current politics of the Middle East thing, which is super important. And as a business language, the need for Arabic has really risen with the success of Gulf countries like the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Finally, to sum up, whether conducting research, negotiating an international agreement, or coordinating with an overseas partner, speaking the language of your counterpart gives you an invaluable advantage. You will develop the skills to live, work, and interact with a more diverse set of countries, which helps you to focus as you progress in your career. Through your study of Arabic, you will pick up knowledge of Islamic traditions and beliefs that will help you to become more effective intercultural communicator and develop strong relationships. I shared with you a few reasons you should certainly consider learning Arabic as your next language. Join me. Still not sure if learning Arabic is really for you? Let me know in the comment section below and I will be helping you get a clearer idea. Till then, take care. مع السلامة.